Welcome to the Advisory Science channel. Now let's go deeper into the digestive system. The oesophagus, also known as the food tube, leads from the mouth down into the stomach. A J-shaped muscular bag filled with acid that breaks down food and kills harmful bacteria. Our stomach's muscular movements help mix food with chemicals, breaking it down further before pushing it into the small intestine. Even though the stomach acid is very strong, it's not strong enough to break down fibre, found in fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Although we can't digest it, fibre helps us move food through our digestive system. Why not check out the free resources for this and other lessons, or inquire about the full curriculum? Link in bio.